This is the worst I've ever seen this road. I've been here a handful of times. It's very sandy. Not very sandy, but more than what I'm used to. The truck is sliding a little bit. She's rear-wheel drive and she's sliding in the back. There's a lot of water damage. A lot. They haven't graded it. I don't know if they do. If they don't grade this road, it's going to be impassable by most vehicles. I used to take my RV up here all the time. This was my little refuge when I needed to stay on Highway 95. I'd come up here. You don't have a signal. I don't think you do. Not a very good one. The nearest town is Quartzsite, which isn't much, except a lot of other RVers and snowbirds. There isn't much there. Usually you have to go into Blythe to your grocery shopping. There is grocery in Quartzsite, but it's very expensive. So, and I don't like Blythe. It's not the best town. So you stock up on everything: water, propane, gasoline. You don't really need to stock up on gasoline unless you're going to be riding around out here. Because after you turn off of 95, it's 7 miles back. It doesn't have to be. You can go in a couple miles and find spots, but we like to go up as close as we can to the mountain. So you stock up on everything: food, whatever you think you're going to need, if you're going to be out here for a while. We should be out here for about 5 days. Another one. I decided to come up and scope out the spots, but because we stopped down there. Ooh. Dun da da da! The valley. Woohoo! So this is the parking lot that you can turn around in, and I am going to do that. John is waiting down below because he stopped at a spot that is pretty flat, but I decided to come up and see if there was anything else. There are a couple. I don't know if I'm going to get him to move though. I think it's time to make camp.
Allie and John have decided to celebrate New Year's in Kofa National Refuge. Why Kofa? 1. It's quiet. 2. It's beautiful. 3. Allie doesn't like loud places. 4. Did I mention it's quiet here? Let's hope they meet their fun capacity.
Oh my gosh, my bed hair. It's just gorgeous here. I get the honors of starting the car because there's no generator in the trailer. I think I just locked it. But it does charge the battery. It was nice and quiet until they came and ran their freaking generator all night long. All night. I thought they were doing work on the road down there or something. There was so much noise from that generator. If you guys look around, it's silent out here. There is nobody out here. Nobody. Except for the one a-hole running his generator all night. You come out here, it's freaking beautiful. There, 15 miles away are campsites where you can run your freaking generator all night long if you like. Still get a magnificent view. But no, they have to come up here and run their effing generator all night. It is so quiet, you can actually hear flies buzz you from 10 feet away. My ears are kind of ringing because it's so quiet. The group before us said there were mountain goats out here, sheep, that they were just right up here, or one was, that tended to follow them on the trail. I was like, whoo, I have yet to see, well, I saw them in Zion, but I have yet to see mountain goats, sheep on trail. And I've hiked a lot of miles. I did portions of long trails like the Colorado Trail, the Arizona Trail. And I don't know, maybe I'm a loud hiker and I scare animals away. But we've been scanning for the animals and we always miss them. There it is. Let's see. It's beautiful. That's so cool.
Well, the big sheep over there, she's got her attention, huh?
For sure. What's that?
Very graceful.
This is the time I need a Sherpa. And we're at the top. See where's his palms? They're up there. Whew. I got to meet a dog as well. She's coming up. And a goat. Wait, sheep. Bighorn sheep. Yes. And get the shot.
It looks like Allie reached her fun capacity.
Lucky you can't smell my breath.